In this video, I want to show you how to clean the print heads of your HP Smart Tank. In case you're having troubles with them, maybe you didn't print for a long time and the ink clogged inside, well, I'll show you how it's done. Unfortunately, most HP Smart Tanks don't have any display that allows you to select this option. Everything needs to be done using the HP app, and I'll show you exactly where you need to go and what you need to do. So I will assume that you already have the HP app and the printer is already connected to the app. Tap on it, then select your HP Smart Tank printer. And now from here, you're gonna go down this page until you see right over here, Diagnostics, Print Quality Tools. And now you're gonna select View all print quality tools. Go down and then you're going to finally see Clean Print Head. Select Clean and the process will begin right away. Now every time you do a print head cleaning, you also get this display after like a minute or two, and a page also gets printed. So let me just wait until this is printed. Okay, perfect. This is just to see, okay, and for you to judge if the print head cleaning helped. So you can check over here, check this test patterns and do whatever they say over here to see if the quality of your print improves. If you see that it's improving, you can redo the same thing once again. But if it's not helping much, just a tiny bit, you may need a level 2 cleaning, which means it's a more intensive print head cleaning. It also means that it will use more ink. So if you do too many of these level 2 cleaning, unfortunately your ink will just keep going down, down, down until there's nothing left. So just do this when it's an extreme case by pressing over here. But if everything is fine, simply press done, and this is about it. You can exit these settings and keep printing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to subscribe, like, but also comment down below. See you in the next video.